guys, welcome to my channel. I'm making some dhall roti. You can see I made my dough. I boiled my dhall and I ground it. So you can watch it in my channel how I make my dhall roti. You make a small this thing and then you do filling like this. And you fold it like this. You fold it like this. You fold like this and you keep it. Then you roll and you put in your tawa. So guys, this is how you roll your dhall roti. You have to be careful not to get burst. This is how you, then I will put my oil. So guys, you can go to my YouTube channel guys. If you're watching TikTok, you can watch it how I make my dhall roti. So guys, this is my dhall roti I made. You see it's very soft guys, very soft my roti is. You can see. Thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy it, share it.